we can use Excel solver to solve linear programming problems. Let me show you how to do it. This is the problem. The first step is to translate this problem into Excel table or formulas. This problem is expressed as mathematical formulations. Excel doesn't recognize this. Here we have three variables S, Y, and P. Our task is to maximize P with certain values of S and Y, satisfying a whole bunch of constraints. Let's start with let S equals 4 and Y equals 5. You just type any number, it doesn't matter. It doesn't need to satisfy these constraints, but we need a number to start with. And then the formula to maximize P is, need to type equal this equation. 3 times, check the cell, this cell, plus 2 times, check the cell, enter. And then constraint formulas. The first one is S greater or equals 3. You just need to type equal. Don't forget to type equal. And then return. Check the cell and return. The second constraint, Y greater or equals 2. Type equal, check this cell, return. The third constraint, plus, return. And then 2 times plus 5 times, oh, better put this 3 times 5, enter. Now we have the Excel version of the LP problem. Let's go to solver. First, click data, and then solver appear. If you do not see solver appear here, you need to go to tools and Excel add-ins and check solver add-in and click OK. Okay, let's go to solver again. And then, because I already did it, so I need to reset all. Okay. First, we need to set objective. Click this one. This is our objective formula. Math. And by changing variable cell. These two cells is the variable cells. We only have two variables. And then this is the constraints area, subject to the constraints. Click Egg. In the dialog box, cell reference. This is the first constraint, cell reference. Just click the corresponding cell. And then is choose the operator, constraint, check this cell, and then add another one. The second constraint, operator, and check this shell. And remember, always use the shell. Don't type the number 2 in. Check this shell. Add. Check this shell. And this is default setting. Constraint, check the corresponding cell, and then egg. The last constraint, check this shell, and then less or equal. Constraint. Don't type the number in. Check this shell. And then OK. Now go back to here. Double check. Okay, this shell is our maximize formula. And then these 4 constraints, variable cells, these 2. And then we choose simplest LP. LP means linear programming. And then solve. Click. And then there is a dialog box appear. Solver found a solution. That's good. We just click OK. We got the answer. Solver tell us the measurement P is 28. The value S is equal to A, and Y equals 2. We just eyebrows. This value satisfies the constraints. That's all.